Sultan Aybak, known as al-Din Aybak, was a prominent figure during the dynastic struggles of the Mamluk Sultanate in Egypt. Rising from relatively humble beginnings, Aybak's ascent to power is an intriguing tale of ambition, political maneuvering, and ultimate tragedy. Aybak was originally a slave, bought by the powerful Ayyubid Sultan, Najm al-Din Ayyub. Demonstrating notable prowess and loyalty, Aybak ascended the ranks within the Sultan's military elite, becoming one of the leading Mamluk leaders under Ayyub's reign. In 1249, when Sultan Ayyub died during the Seventh Crusade, a power vacuum ensued, marked by instability and competing claims for authority. Taking advantage of the situation, Aybak, who by then had proven himself as a capable leader, was positioned among the Mamluks who orchestrated a coup. This group installed Aybak as the first sultan of the Mamluk Sultanate in 1250, following the assassination of Turan Shah, son of the late Sultan Ayyub. Aybak's reign was characterized by internal consolidation and external challenges. As a sultan, he faced the continuous threat from crusaders on the Egyptian frontier and the ongoing resistance from former Ayyubid loyalists. Within Egypt, Aybak worked to legitimize his rule among the Mamluk factions and other remnants of the previous regime. His marriage to Shajar al-Durr, the widow of Sultan Ayyub, was a strategic alliance that served to consolidate his power and establish the legitimacy of the Sultanate. Despite these efforts, Aybak's rule was fraught with tension. His marriage to Shajar al-Durr, while initially politically advantageous, eventually became a source of personal and political conflict. Shajar al-Durr, who retained considerable influence, resented Aybak's decision to marry another woman to solidify his alliances. This personal betrayal escalated into a lethal conflict. In a tragic twist, the very union that had fortified Aybak's claim to the throne would lead to his downfall. In 1257, Shajar al-Durr orchestrated Aybak's murder. Lured into a false sense of security, Aybak was killed by insiders loyal to Shajar al-Durr. Aybak's assassination marked a critical turning point in the history of the Mamluk Sultanate, resulting in a power shift and underscoring the volatility of court politics. The aftermath saw Shajar al-Durr briefly assume control before she herself was deposed and executed, underscoring the cycle of intrigue and violence that characterized the era. Aybak's life and reign illustrate the complexities and perils of leadership. His story is a testament to the ambitions of a once lowly servant who, through skill and strategy, reached the apex of power, only to be undone by the very forces that helped him ascend. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more history insights.